Okay, thought I'd do a real world test. I've got refrigerator plugged in, using a splitter there. Got an Instant Pot. Gonna boil some eggs. Let's see what's that. There we go. Breakfast for a couple mornings. It's currently off. Not sure if you can see that. Extension cord coming out here to the Montek. Currently charging at 131 watts. It's pretty much full right now. And the reason is because I went ahead and plugged in all 3 solar panels. So here we go. Let's give it a shot. So, running down here. Gonna go here. Go eggs. Start. Oh, I guess it just starts. This is the smaller, I don't know, 3/4, whatever the small Instant Pot is, so uses a little bit less wattage. So it's on. Seems to be doing okay. See how much wattage we're pulling now. You can hear the fan going on the Montek. And pulling 675 watts. The input's picked up. Now pulling, let's see if it goes up to 300 watts, which I think is the max. Give it a couple minutes here. I'm going to cut this as soon as we see what the maximum, looks like it's topped out at about 260 watts, 250 watts, kind of in there. Okay, so I'll let those eggs cook, and when they're done, we'll come back and see what percentage of battery we have left.